out there and be visual. Kids are changing classes if it's middle school, upper L, or high school. Get out there. At the end of the day, I have a high school teacher. At the end of the day, he says to me, he goes, Polly, I don't know if I'm crazy or what, if I've lost it. But at the end of the day, he goes upstairs and he goes out in the hallway every single day and he plays a song. He was playing Dancing Queen when I was there. He's out in the hallway and he's playing Dancing Queen, and he's in the hall, and a bunch of high school kids are coming at him. It's dismissal time, and they're like, running out the door to get to wherever they're going, and he's playing Dancing Queen, and he's in the hall and he's like doing this, Dancing Queen, and the other teacher comes out of the house, she starts doing it, she starts dancing, and so I'm like doing this, and the kids come at us and they're looking at us and they're like, what a bunch of weirdos. And then all of a sudden, then this kid comes out with his lacrosse stick, and he comes walking down the hall, and I go like this, and he goes, and keeps on walking. There's a little girl, she comes by, and she's got her cell phone, because they're all buried in their cell phones. She's got her cell phone, and she's doing this, and I go, hey, and she goes, but it was contact. It was contact. And that's what we're talking about when we talk about relationships. If you use these duties to proactively address behaviors just through the contact you have with kids, kids will remember seeing that eyeball look up from her cell phone, seeing that teacher do this, seeing that teacher doing this. All right? And all of a sudden they come to you one day, 'cause it's happened to me, and they come to you and they say, can I ask you something? And I say, yeah, what is it? Who do I go to when I'm having trouble? And I say, let's find a time when we can talk. It's been some of the connections and some of the lives, if you will, that you can save is through these duties. So if we could not look at duties as being that sentence, but being that time when we make those connections, we might see those kids actually turn their behavior around. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.